Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys we'll show you how to compress spring on strut. Okay, and if you need to remove the spring to install new strut, or you need to compress the spring so you can take it out and put lowering springs, we'll show you how to do that. Not very complicated procedure, so stay with us and we'll show you what we use, what tools you need and how to do it. Okay, that's a little bit of a dangerous job, so I wouldn't recommend it unless you have some experience with that stuff, but stay with us to see how to do it now. So we'll be using WD-40 penetrating oil to spray that nut there on top, because usually this one will have some rust and you want it to be able to remove it easily. Okay, we'll show you how to do it now. This is the spring compressor tool that we use. All the tools that we use will be listed in the description box of the video below. It's very important to place the locking pins in place, otherwise that thing can kill you. It still can, don't get me wrong. This is a little bit dangerous job messing with springs, because they're very dangerous, to be honest with you. That thing is really loaded, an amazing amount of force there, so always you have to stay out of the way, never stay in front and behind the strut, preferably on the side. It still can get you, but lower chance. Okay, so we're installing the second one now there. Okay, locking everything in place. And now we are going to start compressing it by going a little bit on each side and then a little bit on the next side. Okay, ours are with 19mm. Okay, we'll go a little bit on the next side now. Okay, perfect, right there. Okay, and this is enough, because you can see we have room from the mount to the spring, so it means that we don't have any pressure. Okay, you can see we can move it there, so that's fine. We don't have any pressure. Otherwise, if you have pressure and you remove the nut, that thing can kill you or shoot out with enormous amount of force. So here now we have 18mm nut. Okay, and if it's there is one disadvantage about those. If it starts spinning, okay, what you have to do actually, you can hold the middle part of the board with an Allen wrench. You can see the hole inside, and use a box offset wrench. Now we can go ahead, pour that dust cap there. Okay, and we can go ahead and remove the spring. Okay, just like that. So you can see this is the spring now guys, right here, and the strut. If you want to just install new strut, the only thing that you have left is to get this spring and put everything together on the new strut that we took apart, in reverse order pretty much. If you want to install lowering spring, okay, all you have to do, get this one loose on each side, a little bit on each side, go at a time, a little bit on this side and a little bit on the other side, until the spring is loose all the way. After that, you install the compressor tool on the new lowering spring, install it on the strut and put it together. So that will be guys the whole video, not very complicated. Hopefully it was helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and many more videos to come. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.